Hi, want to know how to fix black screen on your Samsung Galaxy A14? So first thing that we can try to is to simply take our hand and then pull it at the trajectory of your camera. So you know this thing when you are on the phone and you are putting your phone to your ear, the screen is becoming black so you don't accidentally touch anything with your ear. There is a chance that then happen any lag or bug which is letting the black screen continue working even when you are not talking anymore on the phone with anyone. So first thing that we can try is to simply take our hand and put it a few times in front on the camera and then remove it. But if that didn't work, next thing that we can try is to perform a forced restart. Forced restart is performed with the help of only two buttons and no screen touching. And to perform a forced restart, we would need to hold the power button and also volume down button until you'll see the Samsung logo on the screen. So just hold these two buttons until you'll see Samsung logo. This may take a little while, but anything that we need to do is to just wait. Now, when you can see the Samsung logo on the screen, you can release your fingers and just wait until your phone will turn on back. But if that didn't help, next thing that we can try that's to clean the charging port of your phone. So the port where you usually put the cable to charge your phone, there is a chance that there is a lot of dirt and just some dust which is not letting the charging process happen. We can clean it with the help of non-sharp objects. For example, I got here this wipe. As you can see, we can do a little thingy with it so it will fit into the charging port and then just lightly try to clean the dust and dirt that have gotten into the charging port. I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to find anything more comfortable to clean the charging port with, but this is the only thing I have here. So, and after you have cleaned your charging port, you can try put your phone on a charge for 5 or 15 minutes between this time, so your phone will try to charge, and if the problem was the dust which is not letting your phone charge, this should fix it. But if none of these help, unfortunately it's time to take your phone to the service center. This is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.